The judiciary of Guam is struggling to handle an overwhelming caseload.
For the last couple months, we've been seeing on average 5 judges having trials concurrently. It's been a big strain. I think it's probably not a shock to many people who've been called for jury duty.
Court Policy Planning and Community Affairs Director Josh Tenorio says the court is seeing more and more defendants asserting their right to a speedy trial, putting the pressure on the judiciary to meet the fast-track timelines to ensure a case is tried within 45 days.
First thing is that the time standards are working. Judges are very conscious of it. The Supreme Court has been publishing time standards and basic status reports on cases for every single judge. So there's number one pressure to get things resolved timely. And more attention to that is being placed on them because of the number of pretrial detainees at Department of Corrections and the need for prison.
In the last few months, the Supreme Court has thrown out a couple of cases for violating the Speedy Trial Act, faulting either the trial court or the government for failing to bring the case timely. The judiciary currently has 5 asserted trials happening all at the same time, leaving judges to juggle the remaining caseload.
Some judges, because of asserteds, are having 2 trials at the same time, 1 trial in the morning, 1 trial in the afternoon. Some are reserving mornings for trials and addressing their dockets in the afternoon.
As a result, the judiciary has deployed some of its pro tems. Senior pro tem Richard Benson is currently presiding over a criminal trial, while Judge Elizabeth Baird Anderson is handling family court matters that need immediate attention for Judge Barcinas, who currently has a trial in deliberation and another that's underway.
We're doing the best that we can. We're deploying resources where they need to be. We're trying to improve things to reduce, some of the congestion going down here. And I think hopefully we'll get through this.
Jury costs are also rising exponentially, leaving the court to think outside of the box to cut back on costs. But Tenorio confirms that there has been an increase in expert and juror fees as well as indigent defense with the increasing number of trials. While the judiciary has the authority to hire a second magistrate judge, the position has never been funded. Tenorio says efforts are underway to exhaust all measures possible before considering adding another judge to the bench and the necessary staff.
I think the judges, the Judicial Council, the Supreme Court, wants to know and be assured that we're doing everything possible in the trial court to get things done fast.
Reporting in Hagåtña for Guam's News Network, I'm Mindy Egan.